Aqua Floaties are marketed as motorized inflatable watercraft that let you cruise across lakes, pools, and other calm waterways with minimal effort. The promotional videos make them look fast, stable, and incredibly fun. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatables are a legitimate product category and can be a fun way to enjoy calm water when used safely and as intended. What it does well: fun recreational experience. It offers a unique way to relax and explore calm lakes, pools, and sheltered waterways. Portable design. Because it's inflatable, it's easy to transport, inflate, deflate, and store. Where the hype falls apart: it's not a high-speed watercraft. Despite the exciting marketing, the speed and handling are much more limited than a jet ski or small boat. Battery life depends on usage. Runtime varies based on rider weight, speed, water conditions, and battery capacity. Inflatable materials require care. Sharp objects, rough surfaces, and improper storage can lead to punctures or damage. So, should you buy Aqua Floaties? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for a fun novelty watercraft. If you want a relaxing ride on calm water, they may be worth considering. But if you're expecting performance of a jet ski or motorboat, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.